lost to time, the origin of the loofah sponge is unknown as to where exactly it came from, but most scientists believe it originated in Asia or Africa, and actual cultivation first started in India. Incredibly, carbon dating revealed that the Luffa Gourd was brought to North America over 9,000 years ago. A renowned author and researcher, Johann Wesseling, who died in 1649, traveled to Egypt in the late 1620s and studied the Luffa Gourd being cultivated with an array of artificial irrigation channels. From this culture, which called the sponge gourd luf in Arabic, came the establishment of the name of the Luffa genus. The sponge gourd is a cylindrical fruit that grows on a climbing herbaceous vine. It has a smooth, green skin when young and may feature ridges or ridge lines that run across the skin of the fruit. The sponge gourd grows up to 60 centimeters long, but is harvested as a vegetable when it's young and tender, at around 12 centimeters in length. The sponge gourd contains many seeds, which can be around 1.5 centimeters in length. The seeds are also edible but are usually removed before the flesh is eaten. The interior flesh of the sponge gourd is smooth and creamy white. Sponge gourd has a mild, zucchini-like sweet taste and a silky texture. Mature fruits are not tasty, many being fibrous, bitten, or brown. Luffa vines grow vigorously and fast and need a very sturdy trellis to keep the fruit off the ground and ensure good air circulation. Soil contact may lead to fruit rot, discoloration, and misshaped curved gourds. Luffa can grow in any soil type, however it requires good drainage. Make sure you can offer well-draining soil that will prevent your loofah plant from oversaturating. Good companion plants for Luffa Gourd are beans, onions, catnip, oregano, corn, peas, marigolds, radish, sunflowers, nasturtiums, tarragon, and okra. Sponge gourd is loaded with nutrients such as dietary fiber, vitamin C, vitamin A, riboflavin, zinc, iron, and magnesium. The sponge gourd fruit has been to have an antioxidant, antibacterial, and antifungal properties. Moreover, loofah sponges are recyclable and biodegradable and can be applied as an eco-friendly material in packaging, water absorption, and water waste treatment.